Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you the 2814 Iconic. It's made by Eclipse. These people, they do the Attitude. As you can see, this unique features on it and unique look to it. Gives it, you know, kind of special ambiance, if you may. Right here we got some storage there with toy haulers usually only have that much. I mean, really magnetic right there for you to hold your doors up. Really nice graphics here. You got the power awning, of course, outside speakers, those are waterproof. Nice handle right here for 2814K. Come on in, let me show you more features. As you come in, of course, the kitchen, big deal. I like this style of kitchen. I don't know about you, but this for traffic flow. You'll be cooking, doing your things, kids or family running around. Really nice stove top here. We got 3-burner stove, oven, of course, and under here a big convection oven here. Pretty nice. Really nice cabinets. These guys do a good job with the cabinets here. This is a new color they have. Again, look at this. Really nice management here for your spice rack, I guess, in a way. Again, we have a fridge and a freezer. Pretty nice for a toy hauler here. So we'll take care of business for you. As we go through, of course, we got the slide. This is a slide where you can fit your toy in here. This way the slide is not really in the way. We got more stuff here with tables. You can tell, you can mount them here or there. It depends on what kind of event you're having. These are 2 couches actually. They power down. Then you have a big bed on top, so you can sleep a bunch of people in here. This is a really nice feature here. I like this storage here. This is very strong, folks. Look at that. I mean, I can hang on this. This is not flimsy by no means. Really nice chairs here. Those are very comfortable. You got a big screen TV, okay, with a fan. Look at that. Very important to some people. Back here we go, and we have, of course, more storage. I mean, they do their best to utilize all the space here. We walk in here in the bathroom. Really nice looks here in the bathroom. Look at this. Yeah, nice big cabinet. Look at that. It's a closet, actually. Nice fan on top. I like this enclosed shower. No water seeping, no curtain, no nothing. And it does have a door to the bedroom here. More storage underneath. That's the cubby we looked at earlier. Of course, this comes down right here. You got your closets, more storage. And of course, again, there is a vent on top that helps out. So really good. Let's go outside and show you more stuff. Okay, folks, so the Iconic, again, nice wheels and tires. Those wheels are unique to them, so not everybody got those. As we go through, of course, that's your ramp up here. Over 2,000 pounds capacity. As we go through again up here, we're gonna see more stuff, as in your ladder is right here, it stows away. You can go up there, check, debris, what have you. Fueling station is right here for you, so that's a good sign. Lots of, hookups in here for your water connections and city connections. This is the slide we were talking about, where your toy will be sitting in it in a way. As we come through, we got outside shower, nice feature here, and then a big water heater, and then we got our gen. This is a nice awning, 4,000, and will do the job. There is more to talk about this toy hauler. Please give me a call when you get a chance. 541-515-1237. Thank you.